Fuck! What's going on, peeps? Sorry about the audio. My microphone is completely dead, so we're gonna have to settle with this for today, which is disappointing. But I'm doing this very quick video because I want to test something. Now, obviously, you would have saw from the intro that NewGen is effectively dead. The bike's still good, but the company, yeah, the company's gone. Contacted them, and as expected, my warranty is also dead. What we're going to do is I'm going to get up here a little, and I'm going to change some settings on here because I know the password now. One of you, my subscribers, actually commented on one of my past videos and let me know, and I haven't done anything there yet. But seeing as my warranty is now dead, I can go ahead and play with it a little bit. And what we're going to do is, this bike, it just has to have a limiter on it because it's a 750 watt motor. You know, all the bells and whistles of any other 750 watt motor, but it just will not go above 22-23 mile an hour. So I have been told that a good way of tricking the system is to give it, to state that it has smaller wheels. What we're going to do is we're going to set them to 60. And then, as you can see, my speed limit is already on there. So what we're going to do now is open up my speed app, because now this will be completely wrong. We're going to go in a completely straight line and just on the throttle. That was an interesting test. So if we go down here, right, so this is slightly uphill, this one. What we're going to do is go back to where we were, and now what we're going to do is I'm going to pedal as fast as I can, give myself a hernia. .7 with me giving it some gumption. So yeah, you get a little bit of speed, a little bit of extra speed. Another thing they told me to do, oh, just turn off, whoops. Another thing they told me to do was go into the settings and change the battery to volts, which will give you a better indication of actually how much battery you have left. I'm just going to double check that it did save my settings. So what about if we change it to 14? 12. Let's go all the way to the bottom, shall we? Okay. Get back on the straight road because this one's slightly uphill. Right, we're just going to go straight into it. No massive improvements up from 12. Now what we'll do, just before we go back, is change the settings back to normal and see if it is an improvement at all. Into the settings, more, 1 9 1 9 20. Okay, throttle only. Better not do throttle around this corner just in case I come flying off. There's really no difference whatsoever when it comes to this bike. As you can tell, at maximum you're talking maybe 1-2 mile an hour. To be honest, losing the functionality of seeing your accurate speedo, is it worth it? I honestly don't think so. And look, we're going 23.5 right now. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys, this little experiment, and I will see you next time. And remember, stay awesome.